In this video, we're going to talk about Chatterbox, an open source yet very powerful and easy to use AI for generating speech from text. In fact, the voice you are hearing right now is also AI generated.
The most advantages of Chatterbox is zero-shot voice cloning. Basically, you don't need long audio sample to train it. You can just upload a tiny sample, literally a few seconds of someone speaking, and Chatterbox can clone that voice instantly.
And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run Chatterbox on your machine locally with ComfyUI in just a few minutes. Let's check it out.
Okay, so back to my voice. First, if you haven't already, you will need to install ComfyUI. It's almost inseparable tools if you want to work with generative AI locally. However, if you do not have NVIDIA graphics card or Apple Silicon machine, you will need to code manually. Once you installed ComfyUI, make sure that you have the ComfyUI manager installed. If you haven't, you can do it easily by going to the custom node folder inside ComfyUI directory and clone the project into it. You should see Manager button the next time you open ComfyUI. Next, open the ComfyUI Manager and search for Chatterbox. And install the ComfyUI Chatterbox TTS ID 627. Then close and restart the ComfyUI again so that it loads the new custom node we've just installed. Now start with an empty workflow. Go to the Node tab and search for Chatterbox TTS node and click to add it to the workflow. This will be the control node which we can enter text prompt and adjust the voice tone and emotion. Next, we'll need input node to provide our audio sample and output node to listen to the generated voice. So search for preview audio and load audio node and add them to the workflow. Next, connect the load audio node into audio prompt slot and connect the control node output slot to the preview audio node. Now you can provide the sample audio voice by upload it into the load audio node. The uploaded sample will also be stored in the node for quick selection. A few seconds of sample voice should be enough, but from my experience you'll get the best result using around 30 to 40 seconds of sample with quiet background. Once you're finished, click Run to generate the voice. Generating voice isn't resource intensive as much as generating video or images. For me, it took just a few seconds to get the result.
Hello, this is a test of Chatterbox TTS in ComfyUI.
About adjusting the tone and emotion, there are many settings you can play with, but the most relevant are exaggeration and temperature. The first one, as the name implies, high exaggeration will increase emotion and eagerness of the voice, while lower value will make it sound more passive. As for temperature, higher value will increase the tone diversity, while lower value will make the tone more deterministic.
Hello, this is a test of Chatterbox TTS in ComfyUI. Hello, this is a test of Chatterbox TTS in ComfyUI.
Please, for the love of God, please, please, subscribe to this wonderful channel. Please, for the love of God, please, please, subscribe to this wonderful channel.
The rest of the settings are pretty difficult to explain with words, and it's better to try experimenting them by yourself. So now you know the basics on how to run Chatterbox TTS locally. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and
Don't forget to like and subscribe. My good sir!